National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for central Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, northeastern Wyoming County in southern West Virginia, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. At 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beckley, Mullins, Lipscott, Sophia, Twin Falls State Park,